Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me and also a tip video on how to get really plump looking skin. It's not just about skincare. There are a lot of other factors you might not know about that could be giving you that extra bounce in the skin. I've also teamed up with Biossance to bring you this video and share with you all that we know on how to get that extra bounce, glowing, hydrated, and plump looking skin. So if you want to see what our tips are, just keep watching. Also guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to see more of these videos. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with pre-skincare. I like using this Nordic style called facial hydrotherapy using hot and cold methods. This helps with stimulation and blood flow. So first I'll use a facial steamer for the hot, and then I'll go over with some ice all over my face. This helps invigorate the skin. It's also very refreshing, gives your skin that extra plump and glow. You can repeat this up to 5 times and then pat dry. Now let's get into the actual skincare routine. I'm going to be using a foam cleanser here and applying this all over my face. I'll cleanse for about a minute or so, making sure that I do this very gently, while also giving a little facial massage, and then voila, all clean. A great tip for plump looking skin is using toner, not once, but up to 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This technique has really given my skin that glass look. Now let's put on a facial plumping sheet mask. This mask is great because it has vitamin C to help brighten, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, peptides to help strengthen the skin, and once I'm all done this, I'm just going to remove and let it absorb into the skin. To continue this routine, I'll be using the Biossance Squalane Peptide Eye Gel. This has been my go-to for giving my eyes a well-rested look. It has niacinamide to help reduce the appearance of dark circles, and it improves skin hydration and plumps the look of fine lines. I apply this in the morning and before bed. The star of the show and my personal favorite is the Squalane Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. I've been using the serum for almost 6 months and I absolutely love the texture and how hydrating it is. It has copper peptides which support collagen, a rapid plumping complex which is a cutting-edge blend of hyaluronic acid and paracress extract. This is great for all skin types and it's best for dehydrated skin and for plumping and smoothing. Once I have the serum on, I love giving my skin a nice facial massage. I especially like focusing on areas around the mouth. My skin always feels more plump and has that extra bounce after applying this. And then to complete this routine, I'll be using this Squalane Omega Repair Cream. It's an ultra hydrating repair cream that improves the appearance of fine lines and also helps plump and make the skin glow. It's rich with all the good fats, which are lipids that your skin needs to deeply moisturize without leaving a greasy afterfeel. If you're someone that has a rough texture on the skin, this definitely helps smooth it out. It plumps the look of fine lines and crepiness and also boosts radiance. And just like that, I'm ready for the day. What I love about a good skincare routine is that you need minimal makeup. And some final tips post skincare is making sure that you have enough omega-3 fats, and if you love smoothies like I do, get some collagen peptides and blend it into your smoothies. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.